Welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through how to easily purchase travel insurance online using Travelex Insurance. If you're planning a trip and need to secure coverage, this step-by-step guide will help you make an informed decision. I will take you through the site overview, talk about the services it offers, and how to pick a plan that best suits your needs. First, when you land on the homepage of Travelex Insurance, you'll notice a clean and easy-to-navigate layout. The site allows you to quickly start a quote by entering your trip details, such as destination, travel dates, and the number of travelers. After inputting your information, the site presents you with a variety of travel insurance plans. These plans offer different levels of coverage, including trip cancellation, medical emergencies, and lost luggage protection. The great thing about Travelex Insurance is that they provide transparent pricing with the option to customize your plan. You can add extras like cancel for any reason or additional medical coverage if needed. One of the site's key benefits is that it provides clear explanations of what each policy covers, making it simple to compare plans side by side. Now, speaking of insurance, one service that you could also consider is Traveling, a reliable option for travel insurance. It's user-friendly and offers a variety of plans to suit different types of trips. I highly recommend checking it out if you want to explore another dependable insurance option. You can find the link in the description below. When reviewing the costs, Travelex Insurance is competitive compared to other travel insurers, and they offer a wide range of payment options. A downside to note is that while they offer comprehensive coverage, some plans may be on the pricier side depending on the length of your trip and the add-ons you choose. To wrap up, this tutorial is meant to give you a clear understanding of how to navigate Travelex Insurance, the services they offer, and how to get the best travel insurance for your needs. Don't forget to check out Traveling as well for more insurance options. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share it with friends who may also need travel insurance for their next trip.